Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to embed a YouTube video in CoachZippy. You can upload and embed different types of content in CoachZippy, and you can check this tutorial to learn more. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account. This is one of my demo courses, and I'm currently in the curriculum section. As you can see, there are 3 sections, and I'm going to drop down the resources section. As you can see, there are 3 lectures, and I'm going to drop down the first lecture. This is the content area. Let me scroll down, and you'll see these content tabs here. I'll go to the HTML tab. I'll show you a couple of ways to do this. So one way to embed a YouTube video is to use this Insert Media Embed button. Click on it, and then enter the YouTube video URL in this box, and click OK. As you can see, the video has been embedded. Finally, click Save and Continue. If I scroll down, you'll see that the HTML section has been saved here. Now, if I preview the section logged in as a student, this is how it displays in the lecture. As you can see, it displays really well, and it's mobile responsive as well. On the other hand, if I go back to the HTML tab and use the original video embed code from YouTube and then save it, this is how it displays, and I personally don't like it. Of course, you can change the height and width, but it's not really mobile responsive. But if you want to, you can still use an embed code. So I modified the embed code and then added it to the same section. If I scroll down, you can see it here. So this is the modified YouTube embed code. And all you need to do is replace this with your YouTube video ID. You'll find this code in the description section. And now if I preview it, as you can see, this is how it displays. The top one is the first example I showed you. It looks pretty good to me, and as you can see, it's also mobile responsive. But that's pretty much it. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.